Welcome to Coco's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Snaily finds the pond.
欢迎来到 Coco 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《小瓜牛发现池塘》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Koko and Snaily walk slowly through the forest.
Koko, where are we going today?
Koko smiles and points ahead happily.
Let's explore the path we never saw.
Snaily moves very, very slowly down the path.
Snaily, can you move a little faster?
Snaily stops and looks at Koko thoughtfully.
I like to listen to the forest sounds.
Koko listens too and hears beautiful bird songs.
Oh, I hear birds singing. You are right.
Suddenly they see a beautiful, sparkly pond.
Wow! What a wonderful place this is.
The water shines like glass in the sun.
Can we touch the water, Koko?
Snaily gently touches the cool water slowly.
It feels so nice and clean and fresh.
Red and purple berry bushes grow near the pond.
Look! So many berries grow here, Snaily.
Snaily picks berries slowly and carefully each time.
I want to make a berry recipe today.
Koko looks excited about the special berry recipe.
What berry recipe do you want to make?
Snaily shows Koko the berries in her hands.
Berry jam. My mother taught me this recipe.
Koko sits down next to Snaily by the pond.
Why do you always move so slowly, Snaily?
Snaily looks at the water and listens carefully.
When you go slow, you hear beautiful things.
Koko listens to the wind and water sounds.
The forest has secrets only slow friends find.
Koko understands Snaily's wisdom now at last.
Thank you for teaching me, dear Snaily friend.
They sit together watching the pond grow quieter.
Can we come back here every single day?
Snaily smiles her happiest, slowest smile today.
Yes. We will listen to the forest together.
The sun starts to set over the pond.
This is the best day ever, Koko.
Koko holds Snaily's hand as night falls slowly.
Good night, beautiful pond. We will return soon.
Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, touch.
Snaily gently touches the cool water slowly.
Word 2, berry.
Red and purple berry bushes grow near the pond.
Word 3, recipe.
I want to make a berry recipe today. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
When you listen and take your time, you find wonderful things.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.